Finally. Because after that commercial break, hey man, hey. No, Joe. You know, sometimes you need to follow the script. Like everyone was fine. Joe, even that Gupta lady killed Gupta. When you come here with your silver stripes, see? Are you pregnant? Are you pregnant, Tori? I don't want to body shame, but now, when are you pushing it, Jim? You're here performing, your dress is falling. Your silver stripes, watching. I really hope this show will play during the day. Because if it plays at night, people are itching. I was doing. Yo. Anyway,
you still watching
back to regular programming.
You still watching me?
Get that cliff. Well, nice job tonight, Joe. Nice one. You're doing great. Give him a round of applause. He deserves it. You know you're useless in life when you leave a show and no one cries. You're no. Like when you left Idols, no one. Even Unacho was like, okay. Joe, after he did what he did to Maralo, because he took advantage, you saw her face, her papa last what law. When, like, no one replaced you, no one. You know what they did? They took your chair, they put it on the side, Wasalu Donald.
Oh, wow.
Baby, you're incredible. Racist. Muna hamba so. No, hey, no mzamo, nice. No, don't take anything personal, Joe. Like you're beautiful, Joe. You're beautiful. You're perfect. You're perfect, Joe. I don't care who's in silver stripe. You're perfect. Like you're perfect, Joe. Besides what like you know, Fresh said something about your toes and I looked at them. I'm like, ilistero sisikona la. At least but you're perfect, Joe. And you claim to be a virgin, which is dope. But Kelikumana started like that. What about virgin? And then people started dying. People were going to jail. All I'm saying to Max Maponyana is, Voga Baba, Voga. Uzafa. Joe, I don't understand how you're dating Uma. Uma Smapanyana is hiding you. His bastard is keeping you a secret. If you're my girlfriend, Joe, the whole world will know. But now is I will make sure everyone knows. Every morning I wake up, I update my status with your name. Namzamu right, my love. Last night was wonderful. Meantime, you are here. Like my cars will have your face. Even my ringtone on my phone will change to a smile. What the wanga?
So annoying.
I will never hide you for. If you need to hide someone, now hide law. I think that's why you must hide, Shema. Never. You know when you're dating things, why? Like, okay, give me your jacket. Fresh jacket. When you're dating things, why? It's like those people that go to court. You know those ones. This is Tigima's wife. You're not dead. Tigima's wife, be proud to take the journey. Like Tigima's wife is that girl, after you go to a traditional ceremony. We are calling Sorry, man. Engizinto ebolile. Thokoza baba, thokoza.
Skhumba.
You are the only woman, Joe. You still have pubic hair. Pubic hair. Unamashishi. And amashishi ka tiki mazwai asiyara. Ayakhuphu. That is not a microphone. Namashishi. Fika siyabona, fika.
Hey.
Brafikile. You are useless. This is nowadays. No. Like you know, NZ don't take you serious. Like they don't take you serious, Joe. Like let's look at your peers. Dr. Mbuseni goes. Doctor. EMF, Joe. EMF are going to school. Those bastards are going to school. Someone is graduating there. Even Julia. Julius has a degree. We don't know in what. We don't care. Or it's woodwork or whatever. When are you demoted? I are useless. From being a minister to being someone who hands out t-shirts and pamphlets. Kasi voten. Mantwana wasekhaya. Instead, the NC promoted Batamila Dlamini. And they demoted you. You are here. And then now you're sober. Joe, you used to be useful, Joe. Doing press conferences, bafana, bunch of losers. The next thing, you're Minister of Police. All these criminals are gonna squeeze their balls. Sababamba Masen, That was you. You are important, Joe. You're in Parliament, Joe, telling us serious things. Right now, you're in a casino. DJ Fresh. Wow. The only person I have respect for in the whole panel. I'm still a dog. I've got so much respect for you. So much respect. Being on radio, being that guy, Joe. And Gerard, when you started the show, you said what? Fresh has sex 365 days of the year. Oh, hold on. Every day. Fresh, every day you're having sex. Fresh. You're useless, Joe. People are dying. People are stuck in traffic. Someone is. I see you. Doop. When you're. Fresh, you're useless, Joe. Like Fresh is the only guy. Like when you listen to him or see him, he has done one or two things. It's either or go to or usaya. Why are you guys here? Like, Somizi, how do you know Ketteren? There's Ketteren, there's the news lady, the Gupta, and the Skull. I hate your jerseys, Joe. Your jerseys, Joe. Skull, come on, the chains. No, that's the thing about these jerseys. Like, it takes time. It takes time to do. First of all, there's no machine that does that jersey. I'm a crush. I can imagine your grandmother knitting that jersey for 14 days, 2 weeks, you're on. Meanwhile, Fresh is someone. But the reason I'm here is for you. Yes, give it up for Somizi, yes. Some chisel. Joe, like the Somizi, you have worked hard, Joe. You have survived so many things. Like he ate our years, like. You know, Gossip Johnson's age, look at your age and like, how in, Joe, and how in, Joe. But I love you, Joe. Congratulations, you're about to get married. I'm invited, Dang and Kani. Yes, I'm coming to your wedding, Joe. 22-year-old. And we're 67. So when you're in South Africa saying, Safa, Sapelisi, look, let boyfriend be somewhere. I read your book, Joe. 42 minutes. While I was busy reading your book, fresh. But I love you, Joe. I love you. True story, jokes aside. I'm proud of you. The reason all of us are here is because of you, Joe. Yes, I know for a fact that your family is proud of you. Your daughter is proud of you. Like Mama Kumambinga is proud of you. And your dad is looking down on you saying to stood mngani wami. In Donayami. By TV, Misha Namalar. Well, you guys have been wonderful.